Yo, what's up, guys? I'm Brodie of the Red Girls. Um, I'm gonna be reacting to the Berkie reacts to Owen putting an Ottoman together for his mom. No commentary. My camera's down here because my webcam hasn't come in from Amazon yet. So, pretty lit. Let's go. Let's do it. Yeah.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's Berkie here.
Dude, it's Berkie. Oh my God.
I thought it would be a good idea to check out this really cool channel. It's called the Red Girls, and there was this really cool video. It's got a lot of views, so I thought we would check it out, And I just wanted to watch this video with you and kind of react to it.
Yeah. Me too. That's how I feel. Whole reacting to the video thing. Yeah. Ooh, he's got Rona. Yikes. Oops, sorry. It's a neat little tool he has there. It's like not sharp, it doesn't look like, but well, it'd have to be sharp to cut the tape. Right? Oh, it's one of those box things.
Yeah, I think that's
that like. Yeah. I know what that is. Oh, nice.
Those are sick.
Man, his hair looks kind of wet. He must have just gotten out of the shower. Surely he puts it in, right?
Okay.
You see, I know these things. See. Flatten it down. All right. Okay. Oh. Oh, legs. That's whoa.
So can I screw that in? Oh my god.
Dude. Yeah, you see, Berkie gets it. Legs are
Freaking.
legs are incredible. Sorry, I didn't mean to swear there. Gotta make sure it's real tight, or else it'll just fall off. Happens all the time. Dude, that's a cat. Yo, cat. I like that. I love him. Really getting it on there. Yeah, me too, Berkie. Yeah, sorry about that, folks. I having issues, you know. I see Muffin is immediately in front of the camera, causing all kinds of issues. What a goofy kitty. What a silly, goofy kitty. Man. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that last leg. Always the most important one. Oh, the next step? There's more? Damn. Or dang. Sorry. Oh my god, that's it.
Wow. That was.
That was art.
I think it was definitely the best video I've ever seen.
I've never seen such
All right.
masterful craftsmanship.
Well, that's it, I guess. So yeah, thanks for watching.
Yeah, thanks for watching, and definitely check out this Red Girls channel. I'm on it from time to time, you know.